What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out a product that is a must-have RV accessory. This is the RV Guard water pressure regulator. This right here allows you to adjust the water pressure coming from the campground down to the recommended water pressure and PSI that your RV pipes and plumbing can handle. In this video, I'll be covering how to set it up, how it works, and then I'll be sharing my thoughts on it. And thanks again to RV Guard for sending this product out to me. Let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the RV Guard water pressure regulator. Comes in a really nice box, but I'm ready to see what's inside. Alright, so whenever you first get it opened, there is a foam piece on the top that protects it whenever it's in the box, so really nice packing. You have an extra rubber gasket, and then you have the water pressure regulator. This right here is very well packed. It sits in almost like an insert that is shaped to the size of the pressure regulator. So overall, with the box, great job on the packing. But let's go ahead and take this out of the box and get it set up with the water hookups. To get this set up, we have to take this end of the pressure regulator and hook it up to the spigot. Once you get the pressure regulator connected to the spigot, you're going to want to take your RV hose and connect it to the other side of the regulator. Once you hook up your RV hose to the spigot, run some water through your hose for a few minutes before you connect it to the water inlet on your RV. Now we can connect our water hose to the inlet on the RV, and then we can start adjusting the pressure. To adjust the water pressure, you're going to want to turn on the water in your camper, then let all of the air in the lines flush out. After you do that, we're ready to start adjusting the pressure. You're going to take the knob and turn it to the left to lessen the water pressure. As you can see, the gauge is going down. And we are now at 0 psi, but the RV water is still running inside. So inside, it's just a hair above 0, but inside the water pressure is very low. So now, if you turn it to the right, you'll see the gauge on the water pressure will go up. Then you can continue adjusting the water pressure to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. As you can tell, I set mine to 40. Now that we've got the pressure regulator set up and I've showed you how it works, now I want to share my thoughts on it. Something that I really like about this pressure regulator is that there is a knob on the top to adjust the water pressure. A lot of the water pressure regulators that we've had in the past only have a screw on the top. Now this one also has a screw, but this has the feature of being able to easily pull up, twist it, and then pop it back in place. So I really like how it's super easy to use. The other thing that I really like is that this right here is very sturdy. It's made out of a very heavy-duty looking metal, and I definitely think it will hold up over time. Now the only thing that I will be interested in seeing is how long this glass lasts. A lot of water pressure regulators, this glass breaks very easily, so we'll see how long it lasts, but you just have to be careful. Alright, so that right there is pretty much my thoughts on it. I really like the overall design and quality. If you want to get this product, you can find it linked in the description below. And if you use the discount code RVTalk on their website, rvguardstore.com, you can receive 15% off of your purchase. Thanks again to RV Guard for sending this product out to me. We're going to be checking out some more products from them pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.